This is a pretty difficult video to know how to start, but if you've clicked on it and you've seen the title, my wife Emily passed away from ovarian cancer on the 6th of December 2024. And she did really well. She fought the cancer as long as she could. She had a type of cancer called small cell carcinoma, which is a really aggressive and rare ovarian cancer. And she got basically a year to the day from her initial diagnosis in terms of, the initial diagnosis to passing away. And this video is talking about what's next, which is not easy to do, but I want to share with you guys because Emily and I have shared so much on the YouTube channel about our personal life and about our finances and where we were heading as a couple, and so excited to spend, all of our lives together. We always imagined ourselves elderly, sitting on the front porch, just enjoying each other's company and enjoying time together. But I want to address the business, Purpose Property, what I'm doing with the YouTube channel under my name, Luke Wiles, and some other things that I'm doing this year in 2025. Firstly, it's just been a really difficult month. I know that when you see someone pass away, there's a fall away of their health. It doesn't happen in most circumstances instantly. And it was really hard to watch Emily get sicker and sicker and her belly expand, which is essentially the way the cancer works against you. It's the cells duplicating and that tumor growing really rapidly and you running out of room in terms of your vital organs. But it's important to acknowledge that she is gone and what an amazing wife and mother and friend that she was and is. And Emily and I are both Christians, so we both have a hope that's greater than just this time we have on this earth. And that gives me a lot of comfort knowing that as well. And we got a whole year. So from her initial diagnosis all the way through to her passing was about a year to the day, which is pretty crazy. And neither of us really thought until probably about 6 weeks before she passed that she was going to lose to the cancer. She had a type of cancer called small cell carcinoma, hypercalcemic type of ovarian cancer, SCCOHT. And it's a really rare and aggressive cancer. So her tumors grew rapidly. When her first surgery happened in late 2023, they removed a 5-kilo tumor the size of an AFL football or a rugby league football, crazy size. And so it's just been really sad this last month, missing her and, wanting to spend time with her even though we can't. And we have 2 beautiful young boys together. We've got Asa, who's 2.5, and Eli, who is 1. And now I'm their primary carer moving forward. So that kind of leads me into what I wanted to address in this video, which is what am I doing with the YouTube channel? What are we doing with our business, Purpose Property, and things like that? So the YouTube channel has been something that Emily and I have worked on together. You might see my face and me talking to the camera here. And it's under my name, Luke Wiles, because I've always enjoyed YouTube. I think it's something I'm passionate about. It's something that I enjoy being able to have a conversation with lots of people and share a little bit of my life and our financial journey and encourage others to create financial freedom and success in what that looks like for them and their family. And for Emily and I, building a property portfolio was more important. Was more focused on the financial freedom aspects, not on being wealthy and rich and enjoying first class and yachts and things like that, which is okay if people want to have their Lamborghinis and Ferraris and all those sorts of things. They're entitled to it. But the more important thing for Emily and I about building a property portfolio and creating wealth and future passive income was about choice. Choice to spend our time together, choice to select who we work with as clients, choice to have the creative freedom to make different channels, which we've actually started to do this last month or 2, which I'll share later in the video. And so that's something Emily and I worked on collectively. We both started on very similar wages. We both raced each other to earning 100K income, which is quite funny. We used to have in our early 20s, who can get to 100K personal income first? To be fair, she actually beat me. My amazing Emily, she was really a go-getter. So Emily and I have been in this together It's always been together. We've always been such a team. And she's been such a monumental reason that I've had some success here on YouTube. And we've had success as a business in Purpose Property. So, it wouldn't be honoring of her to stop the YouTube channel unless I'd fallen out of passion with it. But I really do enjoy creating these videos and talking with you guys and seeing your comments and feedback and things like that. And we really do enjoy running our business, Purpose Property. So none of those things are going to be stopping, but they might be changing in their capacity. So I'm going to be moving to a 4-day work week instead of working full time. So I do enjoy what I do. I do enjoy making this content, finding good property deals here in Brisbane and in Southeast Queensland. But we're going to be pretty selective with the number of clients we take on this year in Purpose Property. And in terms of the volume of YouTube videos I'm going to be making, I'm agreeing to myself to make 1 video a week. If I can make 2 or 3, because there's some news topics or there's some hero pieces around property portfolio breakdowns or things I want to share, then that's great. But I'm going to be targeting 1 up to, say, 2 videos a week this year on my main channel under Luke Wiles. In addition to that, we've also started a Christian podcast. So both Emily and I are followers of Jesus, and that gives me a lot of comfort knowing that although it's really sad and depressing that she's passed, we've also got hope and joy for a future. And so I'm going to be sharing more about my faith, and there's a separate channel out there called Unbound Podcast. So you can find it on YouTube or Spotify. I need to get myself on iTunes. I'll work that out in the near future. But if you just search Unbound Podcast or Unbound Christian Podcast, you'll find me there. And we've done a couple of episodes. Emily was actually my first episode. So if you want to see a lot more talking about her cancer journey and story over the last year, go head over to the Unbound Podcast and check out that first episode. And I'll also be sharing more, not just business-related topics on Unbound, but more life-related topics, being a parent, talking about finances as well from a Christian perspective, relationships, greed, wealth, what's going on in society, navigating life as it is. And that's the whole point of the Unbound podcast. Is the premise of it is talking about Jesus and everyday life and connecting those dots. So if you're interested in that, you could do me a huge favor, head over to the Unbound podcast and hit subscribe. I'm also going to be looking to post weekly there as well. So those are my big commitments in terms of YouTube, is to create content for this main channel around property, real estate, renovating, financial freedom. And then the Unbound podcast is a passion project, sharing more about my faith, my walk with Jesus, and bringing some guests on as well to share their journeys and their learnings and experiences from life. And I know that's what Emily would want from myself, and she'd want me to balance things. She wouldn't want me to stop everything and just try and be a full-time mum/dad. She'd want me to find the balance in the things I'm passionate about and the things that we've built together in our business, in the YouTube channels. And the Unbound podcast has been on our heart for a number of years now, and we've finally got it off the ground. And that's all I can say, is I'm really trying to find that balance. I'm not perfect. I'm a human being. We are very well off financially, I can say that. And that's been a massive blessing to this last year. Emily and I were able to rent an Airbnb for 3 months while our major raise and build project was taking place. Not many people could do that. We were able to spend as much money as we could in terms of cancer initiatives and trying to get her the best treatment. Emily got care at the Mater in South Brisbane, and I can't say or speak highly enough of the doctors and the nurses there that looked after her over the last year. She was in and out of hospital constantly, dealing with her cancer journey, and she really fought it the best she could. And she really didn't like that term, fighting cancer, because it inferred that you had to, put up your fists and put up a fight. Em was far more interested in, she was always going to fight it. Was that even a question? And I never questioned it. She has such a strong spirit. And she's just such a loving person. The hard part in all of this is, as you would know if you follow my channel for any period of time, this is about real estate, renovating, and financial freedom. And what point is it to gain all this wealth, to do all these things, if you don't enjoy it? And so, I've booked some holidays this year. I've got a staff of 6 in Purpose Property in our business here in Southeast Queensland, and I've got a manager in place. and I'm still going to be the direct contact for clients, but it does mean that I'm going to have the team take on different roles and responsibilities as we expand and grow across Southeast Queensland and get down towards New South Wales and up towards the Sunshine Coast and expand our business. It does mean that I'm going to need to take a more management role as well. And we'll see what happens in the future. I can't say we're expanding right this second, but we are looking to expand in the next few years as well with our business at Purpose Property. But what point is it to make all this wealth and do all these things if you don't enjoy it? So Emily got to see and enjoy some of what we built together. And this last year is a testament to that. We got to travel out to Toowoomba for a week and enjoy a holiday there together, even though we couldn't go to New Zealand where we were planning. And so moving forward, my channel was about a lot of delayed gratification. I mean, that was our story. That was Emily and my story. We got married at 21 and 20. Saved for 2.5 years, bought our first home at 23, put in so much hard work and sweat equity, learning, making a lot of mistakes, buying more properties, buying Everton Park, renovating that property, buying our home here in Greenslopes on the south side of Brisbane, which has turned into our raise and build project and our dream family home. We've had so many good years and a lot of hard work, to be perfectly honest. It's not all been sunshine and rainbows. There's been a lot of sweat, some tears, always going through the details with my background as a chartered accountant in the nitty-gritty of how to build this property portfolio. And I'm going to give a property portfolio breakdown because I'm open and honest in sharing where we're at and how our property portfolio is progressing. But to say all that, the reason I say all that is you got to find the balance in enjoying the wealth that you're creating and living life today. You need to be present in the situations that you're in. It's great, don't get me wrong, to have that delayed gratification. And I feel like we nailed that, Emily and I, with the incomes that we were earning and the amount of savings we could make and compounding our wealth by investing in assets and leveraging and building our asset base. We did a really good job of delaying gratification, and that's going to set our boys up fantastically. That's not even a word. That's going to set up our boys up really well financially in the future. And myself, I'm in a great financial position to be blessed where I am today. But it doesn't doesn't get you more time. If I could give all the property away and get more time with Emily, I would absolutely do that. So the money's great, and the money's good. And having a nice car is great, and going on a holiday is great, and, going to a music festival and all those fun things you can do with money. It's great, but losing Emily takes the shine off things, Nothing has a sparkle for me at the moment anymore. And maybe that won't change, and maybe I'll learn to cope with her loss a bit better over time. But I just want to encourage you that if you're on this journey of financial freedom, on building a property portfolio, that you try and be present today while building for your future. It's a great thing to set a plan together as a couple or as an individual and set a plan and work towards those goals, short, mid, and long term. And it's great to give yourself rewards and go on that holiday. I'm going to Bali this year myself and New Zealand with the boys for a bit of skiing. But it's also important to be present today. And right here, right now, be present in this moment. So I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you for watching the videos. Hopefully you've learnt some great information about real estate and renovating properties and creating financial wealth and building out a property portfolio from the content that I've produced. So looking ahead, I'm keen to keep producing that. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Is there something or a topic that you're interested in me covering this year? Because this is a community. It's not just me talking through a camera, pasting it on YouTube. It's a community. I build relationships with people and clients. And that's why I'm the lead contact for our clients at Purpose Property. We could be a much bigger business. We could try and buy all across Australia. But for me, that one-to-one relationship, I get so much value out of that, helping people on their journey. So if you want to leave a comment below, letting me know what you want me to cover and make a video on, that'd be awesome. And thank you so much for liking and subscribing and doing all those things. And I'm sure I'll see you soon in the next video. All right. See ya. Peace.